Welcome viewers, the aging narcissist. The new partner inherits the old role. The new partner inherits the old role. Have you ever wondered why the narcissist's new relationship can look completely different from the one they just destroyed? From the outside, it can be bewildering. The new partner receives affection, attention, and promises the previous partner spent years waiting to receive. Photographs suggest happiness, future plans appear everywhere. The narcissist seems transformed. For a while, perhaps they are trying to change, but the new partner has ended the story halfway through, possibly toward the end. They do not know how urgently the aging narcissist now views the future. They hear about the former partner who supposedly became cold, selfish, or unreliable. They are encouraged to believe they are different, the one person finally capable of understanding them, and that distinction feels flattering. It also creates obligation. Gradually, small responsibilities appear. The narcissist needs help organizing something. A financial problem requires understanding, possibly even a loan. A health concern demands attention. Household responsibilities begin shifting. Emotional reassurance becomes increasingly frequent. None of these moments alone reveals what's happening. Together they quietly redefine the relationship. The new partner is no longer simply being loved. They are being prepared, they're being groomed. Excuse me, viewers. The admiration that attracted the narcissist begins combining with something aging. Something with age has made increasingly valuable. Its availability. Can this person be depended upon? Will they tolerate difficult behavior? Will they tolerate the sacrifice of my needs? This is the narcissist. Most importantly, will they remain when dependency eventually becomes unavoidable? The narcissist may believe they've solved the problem that frightened them during midlife. The unreliable old supply has been replaced by someone energetic, hopeful, and unaware of history. But there's one problem. Time does not only age the narcissist, it educates a new partner, and eventually the person recruited to become the solution for the old aging narcissist may begin recognizing that love is quietly being transformed into an unpaid obligation. And that's when the aging narcissist faces the fear that started all of this. What happens when the new supply, the replacement, begins stepping away too? What happens to the aging narcissist then? And that's why this is so important, this series called The Aging Narcissist, because what happens when the new supply realizes who they're with?